Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Max. Today I'm sat in a Mercedes Viano, about a 2014 year I think this vehicle is, maybe a bit earlier, 2011 maybe. But this had the best stereo that we sell here, one of our personal favourites. It comes with a 3-year warranty, nice capacitive touchscreen, and it features wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So if I spin around the camera, where we have Apple CarPlay is kicked in already. Just going to turn down the music so there's no copyright strikes. Real nice capacitive screen, light to the touch, real nice and easy to use. One of, as I said, one of our favourite units and probably the best seller here at John Kleis in terms of double DINs. Had HDMI if you want to stream a Fire Stick through it, or you can even add a reverse camera to it as well. We keep the factory steering controls working, so the customer can use those for adjusting the volume, skipping tracks, those kind of things. And yeah, all fit in with the fascia, which is all designed to be in there. And yeah, quite a nice, pretty unit. Gives customers everything they need. It's got wireless Android mirroring, FM radio, DAB. That's our antenna just on the windscreen there. Focuses, just a small little antenna. Looking at the windscreen, you hardly notice it over in that corner. That's what most of our DAB installs go out with. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'm just going to wrap it up from here because it's just a quick video on this particular Kenwood head unit. Thanks for watching. If you've got a vehicle you want to upgrade to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, please get in contact. Thank you and goodbye.